In this video you'll learn exactly how to turn your cucumber patch into a never-ending producer. With just these 5 simple tricks, you can keep your cucumber plants thriving and cranking out crisp, delicious fruit all season long. You'll grow tons of them, continuously, with fewer problems. Your garden will thank you, and your neighbors will be begging for your secrets. Let's get started with our first tip: choosing the right varieties. If you want to send your cucumber patch into overdrive, the variety you choose can make all the difference. Enter parthenocarpic cucumbers. Don't let the scientific name intimidate you. These are powerhouse plants that don't need pollination to produce fruit. That's right, no bees, no manual pollen transfer, no guessing games. Parthenocarpic cucumbers are perfect for small spaces, covered gardens, or areas with few pollinators. Well-known varieties like Sweet Success, Diva, Tyria, Corinto, and Piccolino reliably produce crisp, seedless fruit without any need for pollination. Traditional cucumbers, on the other hand, rely on nature's matchmaking to bear fruit. Unlike their independent cousins, they play the dating game, sending out loads of pollen-packed male flowers in hopes that a pollinator finds the fruit-bearing females. But when bees are scarce or the weather's moody, that matchmaking fails, leaving you with flowers and no cucumbers. Switching to parthenocarpic cucumbers is a total game changer. They're more reliable, more productive, and take one more variable out of your growing equation. Let's move on to another game-changing move that many gardeners overlook: growing cucumbers off the ground. That's right, lift them up. Use a twine trellis, garden netting, or even some wire stretched across a fence. This isn't just about neatness. Elevating your cucumber vines helps prevent pests like slugs and beetles from nibbling away at your harvest. It also promotes better air circulation, which reduces the risk of disease. All you need to do is gently clip and guide the vines upward. Training your cucumbers vertically not only saves space but gives you straighter, cleaner fruit. Think of it as giving your plants a ladder to success. Now that your cucumbers are climbing high, it's time to fuel their rapid growth. Cucumbers are among the fastest growing vegetables in the garden. From seed to salad, they can be ready to harvest in just 50 days. But that speed comes at a cost: nutrients. These plants are heavy feeders, and if you don't keep them well nourished, they'll slow down or stop altogether. The fix: fertilize every 2 weeks without fail. A great routine includes both a dry and a liquid fertilizer. Your dry fertilizer should be a balanced, all-purpose organic blend, something with numbers like 555 or 444 on the label. Even spacing between nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium ensures a steady supply of nutrients. To take it up a notch, add bone meal. This secret powder is rich in phosphorus and calcium, 2 elements essential for root strength and flower production. More flowers, more fruit. Simple as that. But even with strong roots and good feeding, there's one more fatal mistake that can stop your cucumbers in their tracks: letting them ripen too much on the vine. Here's the hard truth: your cucumber plant doesn't care about your sandwich. Its mission is reproduction. The moment it produces a fully mature fruit with viable seeds, it believes its job is done. You'll notice this when your vine suddenly starts turning yellow, shriveling, and giving up. Don't let it get to that point. Pick early, pick often. Keep the plant focused on growing, not retiring. Speaking of longevity, many gardeners make the mistake of expecting their original cucumber plants to produce all season long. Unfortunately, that's not how cucumbers work. Even with perfect care, cucumber vines typically only last 90 to 100 days. They are vulnerable to diseases, pests, and heat stress. After a strong run, they naturally begin to decline. So, what's the solution? Stagger your planting. Start a new batch of seeds every month or so during the growing season. That way, just as one plant starts to fade, another is ready to take its place, keeping your cucumber production constant. So there you have it, 5 simple tricks to keep your cucumber plants producing all season long. From training them vertically to choosing the right variety, feeding them consistently, and knowing when to say goodbye, now it's your turn. Get out there and put these tips into action. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, drop a comment below.